Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm like, okay, I might just vlog because I kind of have a big weekend ahead of me. Today is Saturday, May 9th. I can't believe we're already into May. Like, this is kind of insane. This weekend is kind of a big weekend in my household because today is my dad's birthday. And he's actually, I don't live with my dad, but he's coming over. We're gonna have a little socially distanced dinner, and tomorrow's Mother's Day. And today we're actually doing a car parade for my sister. It's her 25th birthday on the 12th, but it's Saturday and we know that everybody's around. Since we know that everyone's around, they'll be able to drive out and drive past our house, and I'm gonna be sitting outside with her when everybody does like the drive-by or the car parade. I think that's so crazy that like that's so normal now. Like, that is our new normal, is doing car parades instead of birthday parties. So that parade is happening at 1 o'clock. It is a surprise. Hopefully she can't hear me, but my mom is going to be like driving at a certain spot. They're all meeting their cars there, inside their cars. We're following the rules, and then me and my sister are gonna go outside, and it's a surprise. So that's at 1 o'clock. It is currently around 10 o'clock. I really wanted to get a workout in because I haven't been really working out this week. All I've been doing is going on bike rides because it's been so beautiful out. And of course today it's like windy and cold. So I'm gonna be doing a workout. I'm still out of breath. So I just finished my workout. I'm so exhausted right now after doing that. I decided not to film it because I have so much stuff in my room right now, and on my floor we have a ton of like crafts and posters because we made posters to put on all of our cars. So I didn't record it. I did do glutes and the rest of my legs obviously. And now I am like completely out of breath and very tired, but I'm gonna hop in the shower and then get ready for the day. While I'm doing that, I am going to have a protein shake because I've been really slacking on the protein. Does anyone else have that problem? Like, I'm completely lacking protein right now and I'm fully aware of it, and I'm not changing anything even though I should be. All right guys, I just finished getting ready and I actually was drinking, where is it? I was drinking this protein shake. I've talked about these before. I feel like it's just a really easy way to get quick protein in, especially after a workout. I did want to talk about what I got my dad and my mom because it's Mother's Day. So this first thing, I just got my dad like a quarter zip Columbia from REI. They actually had really pretty quick shipping, and I like to get him like nice quality clothes. And then I got my mom this. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I love shopping on Etsy for like personalized things, and my mom's name is obviously Marnie. And she's been really into gardening, so I think this is adorable. So I'm gonna wrap these two things. My dad's getting pink paper. It's fine. Okay, so I am like the person who has to pull this off basically. So yay me. Basically, I have to tell my sister a certain plan and keep her down here in my room until they get like all the balloons set up. But I just finished wrapping gifts. I'm not a good gift wrapper, like at all, and I didn't use a box. So I'm really hungry right now, like to the point where I feel weak and lethargic. So I think I'm gonna have a snack, and then it's probably gonna be that time. So I might record, I don't know yet. I think I have to be like holding a balloon fixture the entire time, so we'll see if I end up recording it. But yeah, hopefully this works out and it's a surprise. I don't know. Okay, update. She has no idea, at least I don't know. I changed into my Ritzia crew. What's new, man? It's so cold out. I just stepped outside and I'm like, I need a sweatshirt. So yeah, we told her it's a surprise for my dad because it's his birthday. You probably can't even hear me. But I'm nervous and I'm probably gonna crack open an IPA. It's that time. Okay, it is a few hours later. I decided that I wanted to just take today and spend time today with my family. So I decided not to vlog because we had the car parade and that was intense. Literally, there were so many cars and I didn't videotape it. And it was so windy and cold out. So the balloons that we had for her were like blowing around everywhere. But it was also my dad's birthday. So like I mentioned earlier, he did stay for dinner. He wore his mask and I didn't vlog for like hours. Yeah. Also, I got this adorable bikini from PacSun. It looks so much duller on the camera, but it's super bright and super cute. I did order size small in both of these, and I usually order mediums and bottoms, but these actually look like they're probably gonna fit pretty well. The model that had them on was obviously tinier than me, but she was wearing an extra small, and I'm like, okay, I think I can do a small, and this was on sale, and they were out of medium, so I was like, I'm gonna get the small. This little set was literally $30, which is such a steal for a bikini. So I think the plan for the night is just getting in comfy clothes, and I'm gonna have a FaceTime. Not even FaceTime, I think we're gonna do Zoom, a little Zoom session with some of my friends, have a little happy hour, just spend some time online with each other and be in each other's company. I feel like I haven't really talked to them in a little bit, so just catching up, that type of thing. I don't know why I keep moving my hand. So that's the plan for the night. Don't know if I'm gonna continue vlogging. We shall see. If not, I will obviously continue tomorrow because this is a weekend vlog. All right, y'all. Little update. What is this look? Little update. I just got off Zoom with Amanda and now I am watching Dead to Me. Like, yes, if you guys haven't seen this show, I highly suggest it. Season 2 literally came out yesterday and I have 3 episodes left. It's really great though. These episodes are only like a half hour. So that is what the rest of my night looks like. I really thought it was gonna be like FaceTiming with my friends all night, but let's be honest, we got some shows to watch. Hi everyone, good morning, happy Sunday. Well, I should probably say good afternoon because it's almost 11:30. So this morning I did my morning devo. I watched church online, which is at 10 o'clock. It's like a live service. Obviously everything's online, and then I did some journaling, which is usually how my Sunday mornings start. I already ate breakfast, I had a cup of tea, and now I am probably gonna just do like my typical Sunday thing. And today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. If any of you guys are mothers watching my videos, I did get up this morning and gave my mom her present. If you guys saw in yesterday's clip, I got her like a little sign for her garden. She loved it, which was really great. And now what the plan is laundry. Who just loves looking at dirty laundry? No one. So I'm gonna throw in my laundry. I'm probably gonna do 2 loads because that's a pretty big pile. And if you guys can't tell, my skin is not doing so great. I don't know what's going on. This happens every once in a while, and I usually can like tame it in a week. It'll just have a week of craziness. So I'm gonna be taking care of my skin and decided I'm not gonna wear makeup today. I'm just not gonna put anything on my skin because I don't really need to. Not that I need to any other day, but some days I just want to feel a little bit more presentable. So yes, that is the plan for right now. Going to do my laundry and then going to do a quick little workout. Super random lunch, but I have leftover couscous from yesterday and I made myself a salad literally from yesterday. I just put like avocado, olives, pepperoncini. Super random, but really good. I like all these tastes together, and I just put Italian dressing on it and grated cheese. Am I the only one who puts grated cheese on their salad? Is that weird? I don't know. So this is my lunch for today. Not so pretty, but really good. No protein really, not much. But it's fine. I'll get some in later. Okay, what a really good look for me today. I am in the process of ordering my cap and gown. If you guys don't know, I am graduating. My school has postponed graduation. It has not gotten canceled, thank God, not yet. But I'm at a pretty small school, so fingers crossed that they just postpone it, even if it happens in like October. So currently, they're having us order our cap and gown. I didn't even know cap and gown cost any money, but I guess it does. It's only like 40 bucks, which isn't crazy. But if we don't have an actual graduation, like, I'm gonna throw something for myself. No, but really I wanna like have the full experience. They're sending me my diploma in June, so I'm pretty sure this will come around the same time, the cap and gown. I'll walk across my backyard or something, make the most of it, because honestly, this is a huge deal for me. Like, I'm graduating college. This is 4 years of my life that I committed to, so that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so I'm so excited because I put in a Sephora order. I just got a couple things and I got this. If you guys don't know, this is the Ordinary like peeling mask, that one that's like pink or red. I'm so excited. This was literally like $8. What a deal. Hopefully it works, but I think I'm gonna be applying this and trying it out. All right, we have made it to the bathroom. I have to rinse my face. What am I doing? Okay, so we have made it to the bathroom. I'm going to be applying, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be applying this, the Ordinary face mask. You guys have probably seen this all over the internet. A lot of people like found out about it through TikTok. I don't have TikTok, so I wouldn't know. But that's how I hear about it, is people telling me that they heard about it from TikTok. And there is a lot of videos on YouTube about this, and I've just wanted to hop on the bandwagon. So I did cleanse my face and dried it off pretty thoroughly. And I did a patch test on my arm to make sure I'm not allergic. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yep. It's already burning. Okay. Oh, just have to breathe through it. Oh, I did see some videos on this, people saying that it burns, and it's burning. It's definitely burning. And I just threw some drops on my face without letting the dropper touch my skin. A lot of people have been writing that in people's comments. This is a really good look. Okay, so initial thoughts. It does burn, like sting right when you put it on. It's like not terrible. Like, it's not the worst thing for me. So it's fully on my face. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes. I gotta wash my hands and we'll see what this thing does for me. It has officially been 10 minutes. I'm going to wash this off and we'll see what happens. Okay, sorry if you can hear the vacuum going on in the background, but I think I'm digging it. I know that this is only the first time that I used it, but a lot of my friends who have tried it are like, your face is gonna be so soft after, and I do feel like it is pretty soft. Obviously, I have some breakouts right now, but I might try to do this like twice a week, like it suggests on the box, and see how it turns out. So if you guys want an update on this, let me know. But I feel like maybe this is a placebo, but did I wash it all off? Oh, my face is a little red right here. I do have really sensitive skin, so that could be why. But I think I'm gonna keep it and try it out for a little bit and see if it does any good for my skin. So currently I am scrolling through ASOS and doing some shopping. I have 6 things in my cart already, even though I don't know if I'm gonna buy all of that. I'm so mad though, because literally these shorts that I wanted these shorts so badly, but they don't have them in my size anymore, and they literally had them in my size last night. I just think they're so cute. I love the fit of these. If you guys have any suggestions for jean shorts or like where I should get jean shorts, let me know. I'm probably going to pick up a couple from ASOS, but I need new recommendations because all my jean shorts don't fit me anymore. I really don't know what the rest of my day looks like. I'm probably gonna spend some time shopping online and putting in an order. And I think I'm going to film haul when that all comes in if I end up doing a big enough order. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna relax today and maybe read a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot, especially if you're new here. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end off this vlog here and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!